Let's make the best Paloma cocktail. The ingredients needed: tequila, freshly squeezed lime juice, grapefruit and grapefruit soda, salt, limes. Let's get a cocktail shaker. We will need fresh grapefruit juice. Start by cutting a grapefruit wheel to use as decoration, so we can use the other part of the grapefruit to squeeze the juice, and cut the slice in half. Using a strainer to remove the pulp, squeeze the grapefruit. You can use a lemon squeezer or squeeze it by hand. Add 1 ounce of the freshly squeezed grapefruit juice to the cocktail shaker. Squeeze a lime. Add half an ounce of juice to the shaker. Measure 2 ounces of Blanco tequila and add those to the mix. Fill the cocktail shaker with ice. Shake with force for 30 seconds to blend all the ingredients together. We will continue by decorating a bucket glass. With the help of a kitchen brush, spread evenly agave syrup on one side of the glass. Dip and salt the part of the glass that we just made with agave syrup until we create a nice white texture. Top the glass with clear ice. Pour the cocktail mix into our decorated bucket glass. Don't fill the entire glass. Top with grapefruit soda to complete the cocktail. To elevate the look of our cocktail, decorate the glass with the half of grapefruit wheel that we cut previously. Add 2 Luxardo cherries and finish with a rosemary branch. Enjoy the Paloma cocktail.